Later we have Matan Torah, and the pasuk says that Klal Yisrael came to Har Sinai, Vayichan Sham Yisrael Neged Har. They camped opposite the mountain, and Vayichan is Lashon singular. And Rashi tells us that they had complete unity. They were Ba'achdas Ke'eshachad B'lei V'achad. Rebbe Itzele Vorker said, Vayichan is also a language that means chen. And the pasuk is telling us that when they came to Har Sinai, they reached a level that everybody's derech found chen and favor in the eyes of his friend. Nobody looked down at the derech of somebody else. And perhaps this is the secret of the unity that they achieved, because unity doesn't mean being uniform. It doesn't mean that everybody has to be the same. Unity is achieved when everybody respects each other's differences and understands that one person's derech is appropriate for him, even though it's not appropriate for me.